Hi, we're the Lennons, and we believe smiles are contagious, love begets love, and there's no better way to learn something than jumping in, putting your hands on it, and experiencing life firsthand rather than from a book. Since the kids were trapped inside, we decided to take life into our own hands. So we packed up, got a new truck and RV, and are living new adventures across America. Hi, I'm Robert.
I'm AJ.
And thank you for watching Lennon Adventures videos again. I've seen a lot of videos about white sands in the past, and I don't know, it seems like the biggest problem is people don't like to climb the hills. But we did. We had a great time. We went up and down and sled a lot, and found out some interesting things also. We started off by staying in Alamogordo at the Edgington RV Park. And I'm saying this because Mr. Davis over there is just a phenomenal person. He was just super nice. The park has a great peaceful atmosphere. It's real nice. We were right next to a pond.
예. 두 마리 오리가 아주 인상 깊었습니다.
Yeah. And as we're doing it every stop, we're stopping and doing a little extra exercise and training. And many of you already know me and know that that's my first career, was training martial arts and teaching and doing things like this. So of course, with two daughters, dads, you know what I'm talking about. We can impart all the knowledge and wisdom we can, and hopefully they have good judgment. But no means no. We want to make sure they know how to make it mean no when it comes time, right? So we stop along the way and we always train, and the girls are doing really well. So I thought we'd share a little bit of that training with you. Just a couple of little clips right here. Well. Go. That's good coming up. Good. That's what we're gonna do. Go. Nice. Good. That was good, right? Go. And now that our bodyguards are all back in shape and ready to protect us, we decided to go off to White Sands. And the White Sands National Park, something interesting that AJ found out was in 1933, originally under Hoover, it was called the White Sands National Monument. In 2019 is when it was changed to a national park. So also 저기 그 visitor center에서 visitor center 건물은 AJ한테 아주 신기했어. 왜냐?
네, 어도비?
어도비?
예. 멕시코 스타일의 이렇게 핑크 이렇게 네모랗게 된 그 어도비 양식. 근데 어도비가 뭐죠?
Adobe is basically it's a mud clay house. So like I was going to say 찜질방.
찜질방.
찜질방. So it's mud and clay inside. It's got great. It was the American Indians in the area. They of course brilliant, knew how to insulate their house the best way. So it keeps it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. It's just great insulation, but it's a very unique style and very unique to the Southwest. So going into the visitor center, it was a wonderful 66-degree day, almost 70 when throughout the most of the day. But it gets up in 100 and 110s and stuff like that during the summer. But at the visitor center, most people, when you're going in, per vehicle is $25. Or if you are on a motorcycle, it's $20. If you're bicycling in or hiking in, it would be $15 per person. So, or on a tour bus, $15 per person. So those are the fees going in. But fortunately, they really look out for our military. So if you're active military or retired military, or like me, a veteran who was in for a certain period of time with honorable discharge, if you can show your DD-214 or your VA card or your active military ID or something like that, you get a national parks card for free. So your entrance fees are free. You get to go in and you can take your family. Hey girls, you know what?
What?
We don't have to pay when we go in. Do you know why?
Because you're a veteran.
Because your daddy was in the army.
Well, you're good for something, Dad.
So we're going to stop here first to get the pass.
네, 서울특별시보다도 훨씬 더 넓은 면적을 가지고 있죠.
Yeah, it's huge. It's 275 square miles of white sands out there that just go on forever and ever. And if you don't have a good sense of direction and know where you're going, you could easily get lost. You can see as we're driving in, it looks like it's so beautiful. It's white. Like you said, it looks like sugar, but it looks like the roads are snow plowed. And I know, it's sand, gypsum, but it's graded roads, but it looks like snow plowed roads. It's so white and it just goes on and on
It's
and
like
on.
a snow, but it's white sand.
This is cool.
I wonder if we can make clay.
Well, it's not actually sand. It's gypsum. It's a little bit different material. I don't know.
I don't know what gypsum is.
Oh, I think you have a homework assignment.
Oh.
Hey, look, they had sleds up there. Maybe we can go up there and slide.
Okay. Cool. 너무 멋있다. 네. 아, 피크닉 테이블이 있는데 너무 예뻤어요. 이렇게 햇빛도 가리고 바람도 가릴 수 있게 이렇게 쉐입이 이렇게 되어 있는데 그런데 앉아서 샌드위치나 뭐 점심을 싸가서 피크닉 분위기 내는 것도 좋을 것 같아요.
Yeah.
I wondered what gypsum was that made up the white sands. And when I asked my dad, he said it's a mystery that I have to search on my own. So I went online and I researched and I found out that gypsum was a type of selenite crystal, and it's a rare type of gypsum apparently, but the mineral is also known as the plaster of Paris, and it can be used for plasters and fertilizer, chalk, and dry wood. And the biggest deposit out there, or one of the biggest, if not the of the world, is the White Sands National Park.
설탕.
Yeah.
Looks like a
Sugar.
sugar. 우, 멋있어. 자기야, you don't like it. You're gonna.
My stomach coming out. But this is what I dreamed of in the back of the truck. I wanted to do snow angels. Snow angels in the back of my new truck. All right, let's go. 내 천사, my angel. Hi, baby.
Hi. 아, 모래가 너무 부드러워요.
It's nice, isn't it?
근데 배꼽 나왔는데. 오케이. 나의 천사.
Okay. 우리 갈까? 물 먹으러 가자. By the way, thanks for bringing the sunblock. As fair-skinned as I am out here, good move. And a couple of interesting facts about white sands.
네, 흰 석고 집슨 모래는 지금도 바람에 의해서 30피트, 9m 정도 모래 언덕이 변하고 있답니다.
Yes, it expands every year and gets bigger and bigger. So 275 square miles gets bigger every year. More desert, less water, more gypsum.
아, 진짜 설탕같이 부드럽고 모래가 아주 좀 부드러우면서도 시원한 느낌?
Yes, it doesn't absorb the heat. Like if you're at Cocoa Beach or Santa Monica Beach in California, it gets really hot and burns your feet. But this, 신기해요. It's a whole new feeling. It's a whole new. Yeah, it's really interesting. I never experienced that. I thought it would be hotter sand,
네,
but it's not. Yeah,
너무
it's nice and cool.
부드럽고 한번 이렇게 맨발로 걸으셔도 좋을 것 같아요. 너무너무 부드러웠어요.
So we tested the first couple of places, but it was too close to the road. And then so we walked deeper and deeper into the desert. Three. I'm too heavy. I can't slide. I can't slide.
You're getting sand! Wait, Dad, get up! You're getting sand all over you.
I can't slide. I can't do it. I'm too fat.
You're not too fat, Dad. I told you we should have worn sandals.
I told you I should have gone on a diet.
I supported that.
I think 150 and under would do well, but I'm like 225. I got fat.
Alright, then.
obvious difficult part is climbing up the dune to slide down the dune. But if you want to slide down and climb up, yeah, we did a few of them. Check this out.
It's not easy.
It's so easy! Come on, Dad, I can go up higher.
Okay, this is how you get up here.
This is my perfect victory!
Victory is mine! I'm going to slide on my tent. Ready? Go.
Oh, you got one! Wait, we only have to go at the same time. What are you doing?
Well, hurry up, sit down.
Oh.
You're not going.
I
Go!
know!
Lean forward slightly. There you go. Oh no!
Good job, Kayla! 1, 2,
Let's try.
3.
Whoa! I'm going! I'm sliding the sand dune!
Hurry up!
How did it stop?
Come up here, Dad. You gotta hurry up.
I was pretty thirsty, so it's a good idea to bring water and have it with you the whole time.
Yeah.
So you don't have to walk back and forth.
And thank goodness, Kayla has a great sense of direction. She got us turned back so we could get back to the truck.
I was definitely the one who got up the dunes a lot faster. Kayla, she took her time going up the hill all the way around. That was too much walking, so I just went right up.
One's definitely a princess and one's definitely a monkey. You want me to pull you?
Yeah, wait.
You're gonna go sleep tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave massage tomorrow. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Dad had the brilliant idea
Yeah.
of grabbing our durable rope that we keep in the car for emergencies. He tied it to Casey's disc in mine after I saw it and was like, "Me too, Dad."
I thought I'd be there by now.
I'm scared of heights, and they had some pretty tall dunes, but because it was slant enough and soft enough, I tried and it wasn't that scary.
Some sand in my pants.
Uh-oh. That's a problem.
Oh my gosh, no! It's going down my legs like pee. Are you sure?
No, but go on.
Oh my god, Dad, I'm not ready! I said I wasn't ready. Got sand everywhere.
Get on it. I'll give you a ride the rest of the way.
How fun.
Your new nickname could be Sandy.
I am one with the sand.
Yes.
And next video, we're going to be showing you Carlsbad Caverns. Now, Carlsbad is about an hour and a half from White Sands, so it's something you can do in a same trip. Also, not too far from Roswell. So if you have curiosity about the aliens, Roswell is a great place to go. But we went to Carlsbad. Carlsbad Caverns is amazing. It's the largest underground cave system. It's 14 football fields. It's so expansive. It's huge.
예. 한국에 제주도 만장굴이 있는데 거기에 비하면 와 huge 너무 크고요. 75층을 내려가는데
우리 걸어가는.
3시간 반 동안 걸어 내려갔어요. 물론 올라올 때는 엘리베이터를 타고 왔지만
다행히 엘리베이터에 있어서. 네.
다행이었죠.
So you're gonna love Carlsbad Caverns. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
다음 영상도 기대해 주세요.
Hey, thanks for following us here on Lennon Adventures.
Please subscribe, like the video, hit the bell.
All right, then carry me up there.
Huh?
Carry me up there.
I'll just hold on to the string.
Like disc. and my dad. No. Okay.
Oh, it's gonna break. Go. No, take it. It's
yours now.
It's yours.
Could you hold on to this for me, camera lady?